Aha Djka Nyan Support TV. Me that's so ajebre na o hwe me. Subscribe to channel na nothing so press the notification button for more videos. Said the video ni be ba so be nya bi ahwe. We are here to discuss a lot. Na answer na no memfa asedam fama due pay money transfer bi na wo Canada. O US now send this card ya baga na nko ade as application we and was we use download it. Apple phone and Android phone or download it. Use me promo code ni Djka. We see ya benya $5. E the account sika no ho kwa. You send your brand Ghana and so I enter the capre. Due pay money transfer. I'm on sign boafo. Na ene afraid to say.
Me ho ye kodwo na nso e.
Nyame ado me ho ye pa. Na uti star your friend is saying. Me yare no ma aboda man.
Oh Debbie. We dey meet papa.
What?
Aye. We a normal mesh.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, 3.
Oh, okay. But e fatal.
Aye, Shemen Beauty Parlor na your mommy.
Your friend is saying?
Shemen Beauty Parlor.
Oh, okay.
Oh, Accra.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
O na just say o Kumasi ba o free Kumasi ko yuti wa Accra no aba.
Oye on say me leave o Kumasi.
Oh, okay.
Oye mi ti dada. Aye, nti mi twata na kakra bi ko Accra.
Oh, okay.
And na mali ti sie mi sa.
Oh, okay.
Aye, me dana se we.
Yeah, I want to say our election year. Enter 2024, December 7th, you better aba. Of which I know crowd date na ko ensin bi.
November, December.
Say SD for say we na advocate say baby e beto aba na SD for ntimi ntubi. Ntinke be ya yin she baby for ne ade. But flag bearers for the two big parties. I think say omumienu akasa. They say the trending party 24-hour economy. MPP for baby na sanya ade a. Ebetimi abaso o san say ono no wedi ka body dum sokra na bi kun ye. Sa na omo ka o. Anti sa no almost etre. Na that was Enra. Na vice president mampanya be de etre be kasa e. Wakasa bebre na mimum de ne nsam na o kan no atoma koma so. De atoma koma so ne so oba bet na obi twam. I levy ya akoye kotobi kun me ya. Eda ye so a wo send this card ya ma. Na no me send bi dia ma me mpena me send dia ma me maame a
nya de obehunu ni
ma no ne fom ye
na mse nya de obehunu ni a
omo ye ya na o mati ni nyina wo so oba obetwem o say there are some levy bi e ba obetimi atwom ama ye ho ato ye o te sansem no o fa ne sen.
Well, Enra na people were suggesting senka obetu asheda Bawumia talk no. If you say AFCON no semi-finals ni ade no, betimi akrash. Say no na bafana for ne Super Eagles football.
Yeah.
Nti omo ye ba yet eba so. I mean, I think say this is the best time betumi akasa akire yen for us to get enough time to ponder over it. Betimi choose say me to ama party A and as a party B.
Okay.
This time around, if you are listening to us, yeah, kasache benyansa for. And this time around, so chum say me ya Santini in DNDC noir, me ya Santini in DMPP noir, me be as reminent say no one chum. And it's ye the obika, and the ampo by ye been do bet me the ye na ya shana ya twaba. And can a man join the money Mahama? Edene dia ba one was 24-hour economy obe running sa ama na ohwa Ghana ha so 24-hour economy no obi kasa de ne nya 24 hours wo ha no say ye run bank 24 hours
bantuma ginemu 24 hours
ye run bank 24 hours school ye nko no 24 hours ni ade. So I think ono so ni way a obetimi ade implementation no of which ade waso no da ye no ono pe na betumi that's it. What I say. And a vice president waka the sitting government ye vice ni finchen the normal language obi abeti as a deputy president. If it's a mampani akufo no ye to abadema no o hwe constitution no a se mampani ni ho a era Bawumia no ho era Bawumia ni ho a na speaker of parliament aba speaker ni ho obi ho. What I say engineer say one ankasa directly indirectly no he is a president on its own. The fact that the Antwabama no president on the din so.
Okay.
Or can this current government the Ekoye Kufuado government mo Bawumia ka ho.
Okay.
The Ankoye nso Bawumia ka ho.
Okay.
Na Enra UPSA auditorium hono a one Ghana for kodi nkomo no kan sembebre ensembebre but ye ba be ka dia matter because ye industry players are entertainment matter to us more whatever free education I say obeba be ye ni tie o say free education wo ho ba obeye ni yie
na just this time around
enko yie Bawumia no ankasa am ye hu say free education e go for the Dubai no siwom
o say obeba be ye ni yie
obeba o say ebeto as won twam ba obey improve
wow
na say enye standard
okay
ntokro de da ho nto oba be ye ni yie or 3 taxes a oba obeye free ho
okay
ebi any 15% electricity any ade bebre emission tax ne sa bet ni e11 no oba be yi ni nyina afiri ho na che say strategically Bawumia to me hu say street ni so ayesh and believe it or leave it no Jack young youth no ene to aba na no if you pokua big shout out to her emma some statistics be say youth are to aba no kojo we can make and make a president
okay
just the youth o ma me nkan me papa nkan me ma me papa sa nkokora no mo nkan o mpo de kra mayo yan youth no ye yadwene se ye beto ati anase ye beto ma ye pe ye betumi make president okromia
o ne se nipa kakra bi so betumi akwache baabi se delegacy o mo che baabi na o magi sika na o mo yidie kofo bi mpei
da be se delegate de obeyi a kire na won so wa ma na ye mampani anase o ma na nya mampani
oh okay
so what you say engine I think so much that na se hunu se tax ne de na ase na hu hia ye betia because Ghana ha no the lay down process e wo Ghana ha ye say 4 years aben bia ba otwa 4 years na mode bo so ania na ya man 4 years account but wo share 2016 o compare NDC to NPP ene kanema mpani John Domani Mahama ena mampani Akufo-Addo 2016 na margin na so na je say Ghana fofri wo makoma mu nyina eto abade ma nana adodanko Akufo-Addo if say na nsem no
na omuze kromo so ayeshi
1 million difference is a joke 1 million enye joke
chinimu kra
chinimu just o tabataba NDC ankasa MPP tabataba NDC pa about 2020 no 2016 no but 2020 no na margin nso
close
what I say na margin nso na ni nyina mu I don't think that this government share that na se de nsa esum na no kaakai nyoma bi
so omo be ye niema yi
say owi bibini so wa wini no kwa de wa wini no anso wato aso kwa emanne I mean ye wo unemployment graduates wa hanu say o ma akoko university o munye adwumaye this time around no talent is working here in Ghana if it's what we are doing right now no nya ba bia na sponsor he ye ni ankasa what is in us and ya share that na sia keka nyama ni maboba go no be friend say content ya ye ni ankasa ye create
and no kwasa into so beto tax here yes so MCM say ofa MC kra no koye MC baby kra na ni nyina na hwa just onya implement e ba ya tete ne hu
na say ya tene de say ba no ya ti 11 na say ba no
emission no ya o ma sha emission tax
da bi eno no de ya tax e wo ho dada na Bawumia say oba sa emission tax no 15% electricity tax ne e-levy ne sa de obeye free ho
ba ya unim de ntia me say me ne Bawumia ase 1 or 2 me ne ya unim say was it on Peace FM e-levy oka say mumu no ehiafo ne sende enti there is no way aban baji mumu ho that means na ompene so enti so oka so be ye free wa once na ompene so any implement it to oka se obey ye free wa so what can Canada
I mean this is a joke, this is a big joke. That is why our internet in this wa ya hashtag no Bawulaya. I mean, we are not here to do politics, but they shouldn't play politics as if we guys are dumb. They should remember, say, you make you a president. No, you talk about Mama Peneko for the moment to be a vice president. Now you should listen. Or no, be can on records, like you said, say, and you have phone a mumu. And the fat one to so. Never Bawumia were vice president, His Excellency. No way, I read it for also.
So on your president.
And uncle credibility. Or Jin who tum dinner no asem dia and cannot kwa man or kwasem kwa resigning as a vice president.
Bra,
publicly or Bob on Timber and say, Yan fat tax in 2 momo so. If you say here for listen to the word and here for underlined and here for no. failure ye de ba ye no a me fan so waka nti no ne boss amfi no na nanka o credibility a na no asem mudro eso no ankasa nani a nanka ho ne bra wo senka wo the resignation letter ba say on na vice president bio
because of what he said na
simple and no for all time na into obeba nti no wo ye di na ye de aba na atua bia oba no aba be ye de this is a lie. And even a former president John Dramani Mahama can't even promise us on this. A baby no wa ban for be de eto ba wa ba be ye free hoda. Nya no kre.
No one said you can enya no kre so bo be ye free.
Oboa. Eye way a odi nunu ye se na be ye de etumi be ma no. So what you say? And there's no way to say Betty ya and go for twetwe ya. E say won say guys na so aye she.
Eno so bo be ye free.
Oboa. Ni nyina Bawumia boa. Oh, oboa. Na senka na ne bonyo so what stops him? There in a stop I mean, he's not an MP vice president onye MP. Onye DC, he's the deputy president of the republic. For crying out loud. On a vice president ma his excellency Nana Addo Akufo-Addo meboa. And you know, one kan no why dey vice president enye hwe okro yimu ana. Yenti kromi ana ye ka se mampani Akufo-Addo gya na adwuma nyina ayi nani ahye Bawumia se na be ya o grooming no. Want da.
Okay.
Enti the oversaw chese dey
but one thing so say on say I think say was it a journalist? Someone asked Nana Addo say ono ahwe de Ghana ayi ya ase eniema boy kosoro timamufu ni bi sun ya kwan ni ade e ma Nana ka say ono mum de ohunu say de obeba no de obeba be take you over no from him no ono na betimi baba be yi free amane na yiwo mu no and this is whereby Bawumia so aka say eniema bi Nana Addo me mfa say omo ankasa ban e de ba ya ono ne hwa emian no obo be baba be ye
na oye this time oye
that means the Nana Addo kind e bia Bawumia ni nipa me mfa say aho kire na yakom no oba baba be ye free
ene say Nana Addo ye nipa bone for so otumi pa hwe enum ye to aba ne de ye kwa aho kire mu saa ono ansa nim say ya aho kire saa de a na ala de ne no Oh, I mean, what the vice president is saying, you know, or so. And indirectly, you know, he's speaking ill about his boss. Or Kassetia and boss Amemo. And boss Amemo na or Kassetiano, on your ex, current affairs. He's the vice president. I mean, this is a lie, this is a joke.
And you're economic team.
And you're not and you know, because let me be BF, when you be BF, Obia, Sankaranko Bay from Sisanka Bawumia Vice President, His Excellency, or credibility, and Kadia be about one Tibeka, yes, say, or me and fat one to so. Why, yes, a CD, while locking what they say, IDP Botomia, or breaky jelly. The anyway.
There will be ancient.
Now, to meet you, CD, at me breaky jail. Now that's what the Vice President. Ungwareno. Because Ghana no the only thing that we can do the payback time for the ordinary Ghanaian I'm not sure say I gave you the power. I am standing on the authority as the ordinary Ghanaian and a good citizen for that matter to take the power back from you.
I know you are a journalist. Aside you being a journalist, also a citizen of this country, and people are complaining that there is too much heat now. As a Ghanaian, what are you expecting from these two candidates? Because when you say any NDC, MPP, and it's an answer chair there by also. Taxi.
Oh, chair. What's your fancy?
Yes, on taxi about what they say. And Mguasi evident kofu be say Omuguno. It's either MPP or NDC. Until then, I will expect every next government.
Like, quite unfortunate. I've said this on radio before. Say, the NDC wasn't smart at all. NDC 4 year old just has a nipa akawo party ni moye. Kane mampeni John Dramani Mahama. Until regardless, do or die. So now I see the Mahama ba. Mama ba. Senka NDC pa hunu se Mahama for 4 years pe. Na enye Mahama bi na aka ben mu a wamfa. Ya wagya no ho a strategically and potentially. Opese wasan ba be fa. Ah? Na wasan ko mu grooming ni pa for the maye na no 2016.
I don't see the car. Me no nya adwen chere say.
No 2020 impo. Meba. Nanka 2020 nko ne NPP Mampani Akufo-Addo be hia. Definitely obelusi because a new face. Nanka 2024 yi. Enka ebetime nya new face because if the NDC are telling us to say this government is a cruel government, like government we or the anwoche na ebre o my Ghana enti susuam pa say can Mampani John Dramani Mahama the 4 years pe or the beye there Ghana tell me. And you oba be ya pepa ye nim nsuo ndi no okwa na hwan na eba.
Yes, we share na wan wadwuma se no 33 o wuzen.
Nyame ba na de beto to nipa.
Oh, sir, na sir,
and the vice president you are talking about has been a president before. What are you saying? And your vice president did dum so be ha ya dwene ya. Eja to nkofo fie ya. Enkwala bebre hyehyɛ ya because am cause so kan na ma ekohyehyɛ wo mo kata ma eja to me companies ahodo bebre egu ye nye ono a.
And what again? E dey baby.
And many more no go say them.
Because yeah, and name hu nkofo bebre a omo ka say enei senka niema bo from nke dum so kra na.
Hey, who is making this comment?
Because yeah, dollar cost what you say there? They say $1 is to 12 cedis.
Of course.
£1 is to 15 point something cedis.
15 cedis, 50 pesos, kind
15
of.
15 cedis, 50 pesos.
Yeah.
And said the before ACB actually woman.
No, 15.5. It means 5 cedis.
No, 15.5. And no bako to ade wa ha. Onko no na every costro. Obeko. Onko na every costro. Enti comparing what I mean fan is a doom so. I'm not speaking for any political party because ebasa na adena ye no ye na ye dia ma ye listeners no man kasa ajaje. Sure. But comparing Mahama's time to this current government time yeah, Mahama was far better. Obi to international mu enya hwe. I mean, let's be no, esum na ya na mo ka no. Mahama na disum ne ba ya na.
No, na ye president. What are you saying?
And so on na ye president because I think say okay, free Rollins are paying so bang na. Obi e no oba o de power ni bi be kan ho. And near reference to say Ghana nipa na endorse no. Enye den anso a power na you use. I was here trip.
Let me tell you this.
I'm not defending, but they're trying to say
you can even choose to defend or I mean to stand neutral. That's your point. But what I'm telling you is Mampani Akufo-Addo bai wacha ose bedidi ana. Have you ever called the president say Mampani akomo de menkoto aduane ni da? Yes. Have you ever called your president say Mampani mpacho ene madwuma time aso menkoda? Yeah, your basic things that you can do it for yourself regardless. The entia ya to abama panini ye say ahohiahia mu pa no say bibisi a yenya ya da no no nko atumi eto anamon no akwa keka bia maye no akwa akoko maye no apri eti. But
the person we are talking about solved doom so before leaving office.
Says who?
Asem we kra if you pokua kra be kan obeka chere say osolve doom so ansa na oko. And this way na ye kum no for now no. I think that bibia no aba e kire say o de yemfa
no. So the point that I was building is and this is why you smart. What you say?
Also the NDC for no one.
Well, that's their opinion. That's my opinion, you know. And Oman is smart in a sense that say I'm papa say Mampani Akufo-Addo memui had dream ya tetea Entomba be ye film pa dia. Omo 4 years pe some de ba be ye film. Me no mi ani be dia dance ye pa se. New face e me di Mampani kuro mu. Enya possible. I mean, let's be ye face fact no. And it say okwa 4 years now why never. The same government that omonya papa no. Is that what we mean? I mean, I think that can Mampani John Dramani Mahama be na aka. And a person befa. And I think Ghanaians will give him the benefit of the doubt because a new option, you know.
I know you're kind of saying you need be bena, then I call no.
Nedia Nenka, and think what we are.
What two when you go and I say, what can be beatos in BBA of last half hours no person of befa.
Nentidian come and pay John Dramani Mahama, ever by your bed.
Because so, Case, and this is one look smart, and so you think that MPP for so I smart someone so the Bawumia bad.
Oh, one de Bawumia no eburu mi atete ye ne a try body emfitiase. E na omode na ba. No, what I'm saying is they say your options you two pe. Me no me nim sa.
Is it NDC or MPP?
NDC or MPP. And it should NDC come out. Any about me or 4 years to wait to come back. If we are saying say but we don't like Bawumia. Any pe Mahama. Nene Mahama ben fie 9 dia. Bawumia won fie nwatwe o. What the calculation as it? Say nka ye ni na nka bia nka ye nipa fofora obetime twa 8 years a. Nka at least nka so betime adwe for 8 years.
No, what kind of say? Oh yeah, very like.
That's what I'm saying.
It sounded good for you to say. Say Mahama 4 years. And then can you was be omo bia obetime bia 8 years no. Because nipa ne ba 4 years no so ya ade o so ya ade o
ko ne time
so so ya ade enso a ye be hia se nko beto aso na ne 4 years enso aso e de ne ye be ye
enim foforo so ntumi metu Bawumia se kanema mpenjo no manoma ewi ni a ntumi metu Bawumia o ja se e na se yera Bawumia nso ewi ni sisi a ne 4 years later no ye ba ko fole ona so yera mama o chichi yense guechi. They say we have two people. Two people ni nyina so listen asama make nyina say two people ni nyina yera Bawumia ye vice president currently o abemu yera mama nso kwa baba dibiko. Who is the option now? Enya Bawumia asem ne abrobo so say yes waka say o me yemfa to ma watena se e de nsashe dem fa me ye de to abeya afi no baba yitu ena nya kanema mpenjo ndo mani Mahama nso na yeso odi dum so ba ye mpani ya emane ko ye Wamumienu na azezi eba bedi mpreto ne adwusu one. And do you know say youth to do na amso monto aba 2024?
Yeah, wona mkruma eno ne
amso monto aba. Because ye hu de ekoto ama no. Nobody qualifies. O share calculation ni din a. Ne so mo qualify per the constitution o there bi. Say wan ne ekoto ama no. Yera Bawumia sabi wan hye ba bi ne akofa na ba mo no kyan we de ne ba kire ye. Enim do betimi aye bia. Yera Mahama so wa dia wujade pay. Sa kra me de tumi ama ono ankasa ne nto abom mutumi esusu kra ya de ama no wa ba be de awie. Wo ba ze de azam. 2024 de munyam de sa. Ela chedan so ne yase wontu ya na sa yeka. Ana muse gum.
So for trouble. Someone is a man acquire on Sonka.
Say, na or the third force. NPP, NDC, Nagum, Ebetoso Miensa. 20 elections, no. Yeah, and Ebia say, Gum, so dear. And okay, so, as I lunch Martin's war, butterfly.
But people are not talking about lunch Martin because one thing they say, say, who now so you're sort above 4. Our Ghana had to say, no one could the NDC and as MPP anymore. I'm penning there because lunch Martin. Okay, no, MPP. Trade minister, no.
Trade and industries minister.
Industry minister.
Obia who born bibi mo Ghana.
Omo mu penny na.
Ewa bem.
Kennedy crab by uncle, no, so who born bibi. No, so current government.
But on po de, on Kennedy ni de, regardless. Em found say okuta position bi no. No to make am manim. O to me se twe ne se aduasa kase. Ampa mampani akufo de tumi we ma me de nanso se ni koso na memomu a enye papa oka so tia se vice president nke bi da afi no obaka je za de mampani akufo do anya se enye wai o se enye yama no kwan obepepa ni nyina na ye nti sa ye no aba waste 8 years an 8 years wastage. I mean me de menyene nsem no eni efi se owombi. And I may buy my sister and buy me any buy my sister. No, we your February or be 8 months to change it. I didn't know about Sana.
About say hard. So viewers, I think and only idea edaho they say nipa ni mienu no mu nyina epa ni nyina obia no eho abom epen. I think say the comeback of John Dramani Mahama, the comeback of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. no ehun komo na ye boy ba the ye ka any I think say vice president in some obeka say e to bi wo ha oba obi ye free so a na Ghana for so ehun say nenka o ho kwan say e wo so yi free so en say implement ansana ono ne dia ba be campaign message e dia be man say oba obi ye free no nkomo na ye we believe you comment no comment section as an afi ya share there hi Djka Nyan Support TV. Afra, thanks for joining.
Thank you.
Me that say obeka no my bomb. Subscribe to channel no. Ne press notification button for more videos. Me any Djka every time you be send share. Bye bye.